So this is what the kitchen looks like for now. We've got the cooker hood fitted. We've got the unit on the wall. This is where the sink's going to be. The wash machine's going to go there. Obviously the cooker's going to go there. And that is what it's looking like right now. Obviously it's going to be a hefty job with the wiring here. So that's going to be a big job to do. But this is what it's looking like right now. I'm pretty happy with this. It's actually coming along together nicely. And to be honest, with the walls going up, it's not much to tile, to be honest. So I'm happy with that as well. This is actually getting really, really exciting. The new kitchen is finally fitted. Like, I have a sink with a gold tap. Oh my god, it's so lush. After a long 2 days of Wren coming and sorting out the kitchen, we are finally finished. The kitchen has been put in. The only thing that needs to be done is tiling the walls, removing those old tiles as well. But as you can see, I just need to fill in, where are I? Oh my god, can't figure it out. Right there, just need to fill in that hole. And to be honest, it is looking really, really nice. Look, I have dishes in my sink already. It's, oh my god, it's just so exciting. Is it those? Ignore those, because those will be going. But the kitchen, I'm going to turn you around now. And this is what the kitchen looks like. Obviously on this wall, like I said, there's going to be tiles and everything there. Then obviously this wall is going to get plastered. But I have to do everything bit by bit because I hate getting a loan out and I just hate paying anything on credit cards. So I save up and pay everything off. This then, they will be removed, like I said before, but this is what the kitchen looks like. You've got an under sink cupboard, then you've got a cupboard there, then you've got a corner cupboard there, then you've got a small cupboard there, then you've got two up there. I just love the whole extractor fan and built-in oven. I've got a gold tap, which is stunning, but door handles are coming. I didn't buy them off Wren because Wren was paying an extortionate price. And yeah, I got my handles from Amazon, 20 quid. Brilliant. But honest to God, stunning. I just want to say thank you for watching, and hopefully it won't be soon. And this wall will be finished. This side will be finished. And I can show you the finishing result. But this is what it looks like for now. I am super happy. I have a functioning kitchen and it looks really, really modern compared to what it looked like before. I've done a hell of a lot of work. Obviously, so has my brother and my father. I've done a hell of a lot of work and oh God, I see the light at the end of the tunnel. Oh my God, renovation is hard work. I'm not for the faint-hearted, I tell you, but yeah, I am super happy. So thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon, probably real soon, where this will be done. Bye!